Let's start with second multiplication technique, that is multiplication of a number by 9 power of n. To do such multiplication, we have to multiply the given number by 10 and then subtract the given number from the resultant number. I will explain you this multiplication technique with a question, that is 238. We have to multiply 238 into 9. So can I write 9 as 10 minus 1? Yes. So 238 into 10 minus 1. So what I can do, 238 into 10 minus 238 into 1, 2380 minus 238. The result will be 2142. Now I am explaining these with the second example. That is, we have to multiply 238 into 81. 81 is a square of 9 square is 80. 238, I can write 81 as 9 square, and 9 square as 238 into 9 square, 9 into 9. For each 9 I can write it as 238 into 10 minus 1 into 10 minus 1, right? Now after writing this, what we can do, we have to multiply first. 238 into 10 is equals to 2830 minus 238 of 10 minus 1. The answer will for this is 2142. Then 10 minus 1, 2142 into 10 is equals to 21420 minus 2142, which is equals to 19278.